apart from the Congress of 1919, there was also another conference called the Manchester Conference of 1945.
What was there?
The Manchester Conference of 1945 was made in a city called Manchester in Britain. It was organized to unite Pan-Africans and to also promote nationalism and to promote unity among Africans. So there were leaders who attended the Manchester Conference.
From Africa?
There were leaders like Kwame Nkrumah, Leopold Senghor, and Hastings Kamuzu Banda.
That was from, is it Malawi?
Yeah, from Malawi, the Nyasa land.
Nyasa land.
Yes, there were very, very many. Even this one, how do you call this guy? I think I forgot him, but I'll tell you later. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes. So they attended that conference, and even that's where this one, Nkrumah, got to meet famous Pan-Africans.
Who are not in Africa.
Yeah, who were not in Africa. Like the Marcus Garvey and so on. The famous ones that were not in Africa.
Okay.
Yes. That was the Manchester Conference of 1945.
Okay, my first time to hear about that. Even Patrice Lumumba, I remember.
Yeah, Patrice Lumumba. That's the one who I told you that I had forgot. Yeah? But I would have told you.